we're doing a rap battle right now. I'm gonna give y'all both 30 seconds to think. In a few seconds. 60 seconds to rap whatever you're gonna rap, but you have 30 seconds.
Dude, all we're doing is freestyle.
Yeah, whatever. Let's go. No, alright. Wait, no, you're
Shut
gonna.
up! Just go.
Are y'all? Do you not want to think? Wait, I gotta time it.
Okay,
So,
okay.
start.
No, thinking around. Man, I'm a G. Got my diamonds gleaming. Got the barbecue on the grill. That shit is steaming. I am a G. I'ma grab you by a handle. Light your ass up and you will burn like a candle. From the dirty south. Hit you in your mouth. Bust. Yeah. Scratch. Okay, scratch. Anthony, your turn.
Oh man, that's so.
Here it goes.
Yo. Okay. You are a girl. I am not. You know what? You look like you got dreadlocks. Everybody knows that you look like a hoe. Cause you got long hair like Michael Jackson cares. Everybody knows that I'm